Hey friends, this is Miss Hendry. All right, we are going to learn a new coin today, and this one is called the quarter. All right, and Miss Hendry has a special little poem for the quarter. It says, quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told, because the quarter is the largest, or is one of the larger silver coins. All right. A quarter is worth 25 cents. A 2 and a 5 is 25. Right? When we count quarters, we count by 25s. And so I always tell my friends that this is kind of just a little pattern that they need to remember. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. 25, 50, 75, a dollar. That's how we count when we count those because it's kind of difficult to count quarters. So Miss Hendry's favorite thing is to always look in her purse real quick. If I'm looking for a dollar and I don't see any green paper money, then I'll try to find these big quarters and find 4 of them real fast because that makes a dollar. That makes 100 cents. All right, sweet friends. Well, I love you and I hope that you have a good day. And I'm going to send you a fun money video. Bye bye.